Hi, good morning. So, I will demonstrate how to do the proper feeding and burping of a baby. So, first, do the proper hand washing, wear the PPEs, and gather all the materials needed. For the materials, I have here 2 washcloth, beep, then the bottle with milk. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Loisa Francisco. I'm your caregiver for today. So, okay lang po na i-feed ko or painumin ng gatas si baby. Thank you po. So, start na tayo ng ating procedure. Before natin i-feed si baby ng kanyang milk, i-check muna natin yung temperature ng milk. Then, punasan natin ng washcloth. Then, ilalagay na natin ito sa ating shoulder. After natin mailagay ito sa ating shoulder, then, ilalagay na natin yung beef sa kanyang leg. Kuha tayo ng upuan. Kunin natin si baby. Carry the baby at least 45 degrees in a cradle hold position. So, papainumin natin siya ng milk at least 1 ounce. Then, make sure lang ang nipple is filled with milk para maiwasan ang colic ni baby. So, painumin na natin siya. After 1 ounce, i-burp natin si baby. May 3 ways tayo kung paano siya ipa-burp. Ang una ay ang shoulder position, shoulder hold position. Next is forward hold position. Then next is across the lap position. Painumin natin siya ulit. At least 1 ounce ulit. After nito, burping ulit tayo. Burping. Shoulder hold. Forward hold. Across the lap hold position. After natin i-feed si baby, punasan natin yung excess milk. Then, ilagay natin tong washcloth sa hamper. Then, ibabalik na natin siya sa crib. Ibabalik na natin siya. Tatanggalin natin yung beef. Together ng ating washcloth sa ating balikat. Lalagay natin sa hamper. Then, make sure lang si baby ay comfortable. Return all the materials that we use. Do the proper hand washing, remove my apron, documented and endorsed.